Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can download and import LUTs into CapCut PC. So just download any LUT you want. I just basically search like LUT download, and there's this like great website here. You can press download the free LUTs here and just press download, and you're just going to extract the files. Then you're going to go to CapCut PC and you're going to select the video that you want to add the LUT to. I'm just going to select a stock video from here. Let's select this one. And to import the LUT, you are going to select adjustments, go to LUT and select import, select the file. This is a key file, you can select more than one, select enter, and it's going to import the LUT for you. And to add the LUT, you can just simply select it and add it to the timeline to add the coloring, and you can adjust the strength of the LUT here, and you can also adjust it more by using the temperature or the hue or like any of these adjustments button. You can add, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!